Hi, buddies. So today we are going to learn how to calculate area and perimeter of regular two-dimensional figures, which are very common in our textbook as well as in general life. So we are very familiar with these shapes like square, like rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, triangle, circle, ellipse, not so common, but it's there. So coming to how to calculate area of a square. First, we just understand, remember it, recap. What is the property of a square? All the sides equal. Therefore, area is equals to side into side. Alternately, A is equals to S square. Similarly, when we talk about area of a rectangle, that's, yeah, I know, all of you know it, length into breadth. Instead of length into breadth, we can use a common term, base into height also. Now comes parallelogram. We know the property in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So one side of the parallel sides, we take it as B, and the distance between these two parallel sides, that is considered as H, that is height or altitude. So area of a parallelogram becomes B into H, that is base into height or altitude. Then comes the shape trapezium. In trapezoid, we know the property is only one pair of parallel lines are there, right? So it is a kind of quadrilateral. It has got one sides parallel. So how to consider or decide which side to be taken as base? So what we do? We take the mean value. How we take the mean value? We add the two quantity and divide it by 2. That gives us the mean value. And what is h? H is the distance between these two parallel sides. That is altitude. So the area of the trapezoid becomes A is equals to A plus B. That are the two measurement of the two parallel sides upon 2. That way we get the mean into height, that is altitude. So A is equals to A plus B upon 2 into H. Then comes triangle. Very easy one. I know. All of you know it. A is equals to half B into H, where B is the base and H, that is the distance from the vertex in front of the base. From that point, if we draw a perpendicular, that is called the altitude of the triangle. So area of the triangle becomes A is equals to half B into H. For circle, we know the distance from the center up to the circumference is called radius, small r. So the area becomes A is equals to pi r squared. Now a new character has appeared, pi. So let's be friend with it. Pi, it has got a constant value and always it is 22 upon 7. So whenever you are calculating area of a triangle, A is equals to pi r square, then you take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. That's it. It makes